Hello guys, so welcome back. So now we will build a very small program on structures. It's just a very mini project. So I think so this project really help you to able to write a good code on structures and become a master of it. So let's get started. So as all I need to do is to just first I need to type the data types to be stdio.h for the standard input output and for the standard libraries. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is to create the structure. Now first I need to create the main function. Inside the main function we need to have our return 0 to quit the program, and then I have to create a structure. strucd is a keyword, and now I just name it to be students. Okay, and now inside this structure I have some attributes. Set that to be name to be of size 50, and I also have the ID, and then I using the address of size 50. Then I have my city name is of type character, size to be 50. And I think so I just add more stuff here is to add some discounts of type integer, and then I want to add some salary of type integer and some bonus. Alright, so it's of different types. That's what the benefit of using structure. We can access different data types of variables and assign into a single student. So that's what the beauty of structures. Now inside the main function, all I need to is to enter. So the user needs to enter his name. So now printf. So very first thing he need to enter his name, and scanf and %s. And in order to access it, we use the ampersand sign because we're using %s because it's of type character. And if you don't use the arrays and only write name, it shows you the warning because you know the character has a size of 1 byte. So all you need to do is to bring array and use %s for. So ampersand sign for the scan, and I also need to create the structure, which is even more important. So struct and this type of students, which access with the student 1. Alright, so student 1 is accessed through the students, which is the same name as we have on the top, which we have created structures. So remember, in order to access this, we have to use only student 1. So enter the name, and so all I need to do, so ampersand sign, and to access this I already said use student1 dot name. Alright, so just grab this and paste it. Alright, so now we want the ID to be just changed to student1.id, which is of type integer, so add %d. And then we want the city, enter ID, enter address, simply change to dot address. Then we also want to change the name, ID, address, city. So change this to dot city, and then we need to change the salary, enter salary, and change to salary. Alright, so we scan all the values. Now I'm just creating something different. If I want this mini project to be like, if the salary is greater, then we're using the if else statement, And if the salary is greater than 200, so let's do, if it's greater than 200, where the user will get the discount of 10%. All right, so now all I need to do is to create the if statement here, and inside that if statement I simply create the same similar struct1 and dot salary, and if it's greater than 200, so all you need to do is to show your discount is, all right, so printf your discount is, so student, the bonus will be dot one in order to access it, so student1 dot bonus equal to student whatever the salary he has, the current salary, student1 dot salary, and if it's greater than, then he will get the discount of 10%. So it will, sorry, it's not 10%, basically his salary will be multiplied 10 times, right? So if its salary is greater than 200, so you will get the discount. Your discount is not, I think so it's not a good way to write here. So you will get the 10%. If your salary is greater than 200, else inside that your current balance is percentage D, which will be student 1 dot salary. Alright, so whatever the user entered, it will show you up here your current balances, and inside that right here printf your discount salary is percentage D, and set that to be student 1 dot bonus. Alright, just put the semicolon after that. So let's run it. If, info student undeclared. Alright. Next error is that printf. Okay, now we just run this. Enter name to be ID to be 1, address, salary to be, for example, if my salary is 300, now I will get my discounted salary. So now your discounted salary is 315,80670. Whatever the salary you have, it will multiply by 10. And suppose if my salary is now your discount salary is still showing, there's some few errors, just need to look at it. So alright, so if I just put that outside the, no, I just put this one here, and if I grab this and put that right here, and it's of type percentage D, and see, suppose salary is greater than 200. So rather showing me 2340, it's showing me some discount salary. Alright, so percentage S, alright, percentage D, and for the city, and that's fine, I think so. Now it will work fine. Now the name is Dullah, ID to be supposed 12, area Lahore, and the salary, if it's exceeded 300, now it's 3000. Your discount salary is 3000. Now if my salary is not greater than 200, so now if my salary is 12, so your current balance is 12 and your discount salary is 0. So just you can align it by using some \n to see it looks good. So I hope that you guys, this is just a mini project. I hope that you guys can make some big than that, because it's just to tell you how to basically assign and just to enter the inputs from the by using the structures. And I hope that you guys enjoy. If you really find it interested, so please press the subscribe button and like this video and share. And thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you for the next time.